And now I want to show you the whole alphabet, Russian alphabet. You already know the letters, you already know how to read these letters in combination of letters in words, but let's repeat once again how can we pronounce letters. Sometimes it is important if you need to say this letter separated, not in combination with other letters. So here in transcription you see not sounds. These are names of letters in Russian alphabet. Just letters. Let's read them once and I hope that you can memorize them. So let's get started. A, B, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое, К, Л, М, Н, О, П. Next part. R, S, T, U, F, H, C, Ч, Ш, Щ. Твердый знак. И. Мягкий знак. Ю, Я. So these are names of Russian letters. And of course you already know how to read these letters.